everyone, it's Paul from Bury St Edmunds Shutters. We've fitted shutters throughout this lovely house, and in all of the dry rooms they're hardwood, but in this ensuite we've put PVC because obviously it's a wet room. Now people ask us all the time for tier-on-tier shutters, and many times it's not really appropriate for normal rooms, but this is an exception. So what we've got is we've got a toilet system here, and if we'd have made these as full height shutters, we would only have been able to open this whole panel a little way. So if you look at what we've done here, you can open that only a little way. That's restricted, unfortunately, but we can open the top section all the way to allow light in. The normal problem with tier-on-tier is that we have lots of wood panelling and it restricts the lighting, but here it's a practical solution to get around this toilet system. Everything is normal. We have a hidden tilt here, so you just manually tilt the shutters into position, and I think it's ideal for the situation. So thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, just leave us a comment and I'll see you on the next video.